Parari, parakher, paramer. Kendriam pedar, ubhoy ulangam, umaram baruar, uday hanyau terap, lene upat kasih bayar. Ublay nombo ng tao, ubo yang tilay tili. Hang ni hapo setiap Meglia, kasih jantia, badu baru. Ngajuang haki parlak, baka Meglia, kadai kayeng jong lay tili ki kamera. Kawai ke kamera, kerasa akhir tema. Kawai ke kamera. Kelayakun percaya ki illegal aliens baladandro kajing show yang mensau baladandro kajing tang habalatang ya kawai ke kamera hatu artli ki kamera pinang mut kinong plo dedem kawai ke kamera hari lum karo kaplo namar kajing dan jong kita ki illegal aliens kibatmu banle dongbor ya ki perlok garu hangtai hapo garu hills dena kita kadau bon sien kiong balai pelong jingilang hang ne pomot pran balai pelong jingilang po kasil hare pinit masudhu ya ka meklia la pelong da kini kilai tli ki kamera jong ka we ka yeng ha ka we ka yeng dan lai tli kamera ka we ka kamera amta kala kemding ngiha pelong husyar kasih bajangtia ngilai belong husyar. Dari tak ada ngikot yang kena ikut meeting bapi pens ngau to kumno banyakun ya kita ke illegal immigration lene ke illegal aliens. Kerang bangun sim ke por ngilai gajat penrio kebatip yang nungbu nong tau. Show man sang ni jilang pemda ngasuh baban kot yaway nakirang ba nangilam juga cuai Ubade presiden por rambrai, uba truwel lingdo, semua bawa cikmat, banbo hagajing duai, bau play tragendari, ulong rikat, ban kajat benreu kasih jantia garo, kabalo bu kerpang ne po Meglia, semua ba truwel lingdo, wan cikmat, bo hagajing duai, nangap nang segi gimtang. Tangan dia bo hagajing duai. Abalay kabas dang jong kene kejing yalang jong ka komso katruai ngiso ban pan ka bo kum kilai teli ki jat ben si jantia bat karo katruai haka ane kesingi ka pamantangi don kejing kenduk lang katruai nagam ta ka doma jong ka ri bat ka jat ben rew katruai oi haka bas dang jong kejing yalang katruai ngadu duai kemat jong me katruai don nam kat kamtam Sharman obade nong penyahat ya kene kejing yalang katruai don nam kat kamtam ya kinong yalam na kisang beper katruai bat kamtam ngi kibat kiban singap ya kene ke por ke bemta katruai ka bangin long sisa ke tagi spai ke ban yada la ke jong gari ke jong katruai om yu garo hel katruai ke no ke mem ke baklor kamtam ki pai garo ki badan hantai ke hel katruai kele kendo ki sing sia pendek hake bomdai ki trajaka bat ki trajala katruai trai don lam kat kamtam ni ki lai teli ki pai ki badan hapo ke beri hapo jong jala me klaya katruai ai bagin ni don ka min sem ke jing yalong ka wei ka min sem ke jing ye ha ka bagin yang ha ka bagin la ban yele ban job ye ki ni jing yele katruai ni sotu klam da ka bor ka jong me ngim la ban le ru em Ndai try kani ka por kum ka jala ka bet tipru tiplay ka jala ka ba ni ong ya ka jala Kristan ko try ni aingo kamtam hame ko try yalam ye ngi ko try ye kisang ge beper ko try ha ka bakum kani ka por ngim dai ban don ka ban sim ka jing ye pe seng ka wei ndai ngi don kam ye ka jing ye long teli kum bagi kon Israel ha ka bakila ban ye le ye ka Palestina ngiro ngila banyele ikinong isun kibadai kita kiding pengkiang hak imlang salang kotrai don lam kat kamta mi gitu kemen sem ke bakordor kibala do no ante rilum karo kotrai ai kejing pentengan yeki like mamelong sisa uta unong pentengan don lam kat ya kane kepor baro habakam dan kano kahuri kahura Hamtam ngio ikut try na kaliang ke sarkar ko try. Kalau pa ay kinong pet perman kepada ki polis ki sipai ki CRP na kabentakan ni kejingnya lang ko try. Try ngem kuwa ko try bakan mi kano kejingnya kelumar na ko try. Nyelong ki breu ke bestat. Ko mau selaman ko try. Ulapan ya kespa pan ya kejing start ko try. Dalam lekatnya kene por barok nga iti hakan ten ka bakhoy bat ka badon bor ka jumi. Naduk menta bersiduk ke bamcukoro. Amen.
Kublesibun rangba trueling do ya kajingbo jong pi yokenrat hakmado ngayi ya kawai ke video keba perta de kini illegal aliens lani ki illegal immigration ya uto lot jong ki hapo social media ngingim de panleran ngakwa banong nganong mga anang ni Piro pinya pertalang. Why should be ashamed? I will say this word. Kalau Jesus Christ, Piyong is a Lord. Jesus Christ is. Jesus Christ is. Jesus Christ is. Jesus Christ is. Jesus Christ is a Lord. Nampak ada kiwai kejat penriu, kiwan pertahang ni, balai ngingileran, ya kekerteng jotek pada jelok. Dendai. Parari paranong meklia ngira nang me kasi jan tiap goro ngakwa banang yepi kajat penriu kadon kam is high time bakadon ka unity hapleng jongi kilai tuli kung mangalong mana ngasana kren jo sibet mentangan kono sisman yaway na speaker nagliang juga kop ubday president uday usamla pateng mersing soba samla pateng wancing mat banai ya kejigran kejongpi
Haga paningkong ngemla kena penpau kuburom soble nomor nong tau dai na kejingai kejongu mena ka siteng singi idon hagene kejaka hang ne apo mat fran ban peni ya kejing teli hapreng jongi ki khasi jantia bat ki parlok nang ten apo rilum karo kulai sibun songkno papeniai ya kane ke program ha kane kano phaisngi hang ne apo mot fran tanga kublai kelum lang pi baro ki parlok seng balang ki pagdon hang ne apo state lam dajer kerteng nang makalum tu ya kapor bat kum juru ya baro ki paj jong kabri uhan yau trap ki belayawan lang ban ya sakilang ya kane ke sngi na ka benta ban ya persya lang bat ki parlok nang tena po rilum garo haga bedai bat ke jingle don bor jong kita ginon tribal ki banana kane kari ga bait ke jongi sigentin Argentin kumuai na kinongelam joka Confederation of Riboy People haga ne kasi iwani ka ban simbenta bani ay ke support na ka benta ki paralok na po rilum garo ki balasya ledon bor haga ne ki mender ki bawansa hangte hapo kejaka kejongki na kalian jongki ke konso mendaga ski la khot lalum ilaweri ki pajba kan ningi don na kene ski kadai ke jingai ben sim ya ka konso bau khasi udang teli hadu mene hadu menta kadai kabangi peni sika persai ba ngi kilai teli ki chaj benriu khasi jantia bat ugaro totip ko kinon tribal kibawan Banlusia, kibawan, banlek don bor, hagari kabaik kejongi, totip, bagi kilai teli kicaj benriu, ngilang don kejingi teli, hadu menta, denam nai paiba, ngilang don kejingi teli, wat nam lek kai, ya kecaj benriu, jongi apo Meghalaya, namar ngioi, kejing lek don bor, ladangi pai, hanya apo khasi jantia, yelai begini, ikhla jaj, lani ki non tribal kirayo open kini ya ka business kira yo ban kini hana po kari kasi jantia ka jongi mendapat hang te po rinum karo kila sedang ban kini pat ya ka borsensar kila sedang ban kini ya ka borsensar salade dena kau nakaleng jong ka komso kalau mi sakmat banya persya haga badai bat kali ka jingle don bor jong kini ginon tribal hang te po rinum karo ladang mi akedit benriu mentah lalu pat gini akin dit benriu mentakin sedang nang tidak po rilung karo sakan no kin sedang hang ne apo GHDC bat apo JHDC lai teling ini teli nang ni sakmat bagi peli sak kini kelak jaj bakim dai bale don bor apo uput usam jong keri Meghalaya lada nang ni sakmat gina yoi ba kini kelak jaj nang ni non tribal kamtam nang tidak po Bangladesh yuan bale don bor apo uput usam jong kebriu hanyo prap dalai nginom ailat ya kini bakile don bor namari ngitip chai bat ngikwa ban keren sagini khelak jai banani sakmat sangeno ya kini ke jipni bor ke jong pi hangne po kari ke jongi wat pen khrut ngi sambla wat pen bitar ngi sambla yo poi ke ski kaba kamen sim sendra ke jongi ke 10 bat kan sami ke jingom snam ke bajur ngikwa ban penskau lang bagi press ke media sagini ke parlok karo ki jongi ngingi don kat bathi wat nom ting ya kada ka jing penting ko tempan kita ke non tribal di bon penting ya fi henrei na kaleng jongi kiseng nang na po rika si jantia ngirani ka support ya fi bat ngi don kat bathi hadu ka bakut ke jingale ngingi don kat bathi kan mau ba kari ngidon tangkale kari ngimdon pat na kawai kari ladang la dolo ikra ka bor sensar saingin lai ko ki parari saingin lai dai na ka daw ye khot ye wer ya phi ki pai ba pinami ranti ban pani ki jinga tali klang ba kine ki briu ki panambar kinom no panne don bor haga de kari ke bai ke chongi dai na ka daw ye khot ye wer ngatrai kandom kut tang mendagaski kapangin lum hang ne apo madan lot pran nang ne sakmat lada kita kinang tribal kinang ngut cucu pat penibor nginami daw hajar na kilak ngut nginami pikroy na empat ba nginami bani Kristyan ya ki parlok kijongi nang tena po rilum garo pikroy nam kubai sibun ya ki kroy jong piki pai ba bani aga ki Kristyan ya ki paradok ki perslam kijongi kibadai ki basa apo kari Meghalaya ka jongi kumbang ang anam kan sibun ki kentin na por ngai scam nang nesa khaman ngina punjur susu ya ka ki jingi ki lada kita ki non tribal nani kita ki poiwir poi hap kina ne don bor bang hai de gari ka bai ka jongi tegni ka por sho bangan song kublai sibun sai sien to blai don kat bat ngi wai pe wai ka por unai ka sim ka senrang bani khun na banda ki dauba dausan jong kari bat ka jai benriu kublai sibun methala kublai sibun
Kublai sibun samlarang ba presiden jangka CORP masa pateng mersing ya ketuga jingkran ke jongpi menta namar ba kiran krang sa sawat sanmut krang ba kanam simi kapua gin khatna yaw nong kran ba I would like to call the Master Salmomen, the ex-president of the GSU Khas Hills, to come on the stage to give a short speech.
Aceh Gusong? Aceh Gusong? Aceh Gusong Sani? Mangalana Tengah? Mamang Takiba? Oleh Monjawa? Ahue! Ahue! Tuan Sepram! Tuan Sepram! Aceh dal Indonesia ba sakantian Malaysia aro Aceh mereka bawa bustong inga Aceh ni nikani Aceh ni Aceh cat kun tapis jet dengan kinga aron baksana dadal ke ba dalge barang daun kengkeng drop tong inga yano tengah yaram ko cakcike ni na manja uni keman Aceh endenongja Aceh jat endenongja Aceh jat saksa blak ke ba nga aro tengah mabang salaba ya entah kau obos tako naun joa honken ma kalau berkantor aku acha banga bang bebetan yang banga so I would like to talk in English first firstly I would like to thank the COMSO, HYC, congratulations of all the NGOs who have come here and support our Garo people. Thank you so much, and you have given us the platform here and supported us throughout the incident that had happened back in Garo Hills. And since HYC also itself has come to Garo Hills and conveyed their solidarity towards us, and I thank them, and I thank each and every NGO who is present here that has supported us, and we would also like to thank we would like to thank COMSO and ang mga bagay betwa mana ya dal gabarang badunga singa sunung ja bepet kaba uni gaban singa khangchi apsan khulse sunung ye tau singa meeting ma chute ba atu dan nuktangchi singa khasneri angel mamung halal gula ho khagiza ansing achchak ni antang thang ni mai rake ansing sluro namro kho ansing chachina man gen ho ansing chigen ahue. Thank you so much.
Mithila Salmomin is a short speech, but I think this speech kanika kajingkran kajung let's say donkey khasi jungi basutho let's say kanang persat mansim ya kajingi khon yele hapreng jonga jatman reu khasi jantia bat garo te menta ka por ngasoba ban khot no sisundan ya wene kinailam napo kasang hito bon ay kajingkran kabalingkot khnang ba kiwe pat kiparlot kinyo bani kren lang I present ba donbok thar
Aceh kasang Nyautra basang. First of all, I would like to begin by thanking the organization COMSO in collaboration with our brother. I wouldn't say people of Garo, but you are our same brethren because we are living in the same state. Just now I got one WhatsApp message saying that the Chief Minister of Meghalaya announced that they postponed the GHA-DC election. That is the one achievement to the Garo people. Secondly, I would like to repeat that remember that we will snatch our right, but we will not beg for our right. It is true or not? We should understand that this history repeat again. In 20 June 1952, the same thing happened when they nominate 3 non-tribal in Khasi Hill and Jaintia Hills, Autonomous Circumcision. So, since I am giving my friends, they told me to give a short speech. But the main thing I want to say to my brother, that we will stand united as we are here to protect our motherland. Because you have seen those so-called Bangladesh or alien, they rape our mother, but our leader, they forgot, they neglect. So we, as the youth of the Meghalaya, it is our duty to protect our motherland. Am I right? Yes! So are you ready to fight? Yes! I know we don't have gun, but we have with hand and fist. Like Garo people in 1829 and 1833, along with Tirot Singh, they fought together and chased away the British. Will do the same to chase all these illegal immigrants coming to our state. We will not surrender. And I'll speak in Hindi to those illegal immigrants right now, face to face. ये राज्य कोई अंजू पंजू का राज नहीं है, बल्कि ये एक शेर का राज है। पन्ना पन्ना छान के देखो 1829 से 1833 तक तुम लोग ने आंख में हाथ लगाए, देख अब क्या होगा। I convey this message to the government, to the Meghalaya Demonic Alliance. I have seen through different notification that you seek help from the Indian Army. Remember, Indian Army are to protect the country, not to protect the internal battle of our right. This is our clear message, and I would like to say once again, so like I said just now, Achik Asok and Nyo Trep, we are brothers. Let's say the same at the same time. Thang Bachina. Achik Asok! Nyo Trep Asok! Kublai Shibun, Shi Hajar Ngo, Mitela.
Kublai Shibun, Presiden juga hitoi juga jingkran kebalikot ke Jongpi. Nga susun habayu iya kilat padai kubor mantep bagi jat menriu garu ngano menangasi ya kun kikti kijonga kijongpi sabla mentawang bangim dan weapons. We don't have arms in our pockets at home. Hari ngangong kasut SWRD kadon nginay ban hikaya ki kun kikti hikaya malau senang jong jat menriu umday ba unang ban batang bitor uday compulsory mentaya kawat uday banang ban bat hakti kenang ba ki illegal alien lalaki iya kedor kejonga jongpi kihapan perkat arsin laisin benem ba hikaya ki kun bakin bat ya katari hikaya ki bakin bat ya kasut lari ka wailam kumbau turut sing uwak yang mangba patugan sangma kia kun ya kidoni hak tu kapur mentaro ka spirit of fighting kadai ban hiar hangi hak dai ka generation kemamta kunai sibun sasisin pat ya ki parlok ki bilang saskor ya kadai ka meeting hak dai kalopai jong ni kasgi menta nasuma bankot si senda ya unang yalam ubarana ubara jukran ya gajing don kam juga jat penriu kata gajing don kam insakan kam syai itai dai iba Thomas pasa semua ba Thomas panai ya gajing den balkot jumpi
Kublai Shibun ya iba rock bapenya ya kene ka jingelang ai bementa ka sini kende ka sini ka bakerpang hakabang inpa e kawai kubor balada persang ban hertma ya uwai ne kilaingur kishik para nin yang renti kum ka jela ban ya kun ya kini ki breu ki bawan beai let today be the day that we remember and we send a very clear message to the others that whenever one of the brothers of the state among the three types, whenever you attack one of them, we will unite as one and we will fight you back. Man kapor haba kasya her thma kariti ka dostor ko jongi lami ki torot sing haman la kapor ba kadan ka jing persyang ban pelong merau ya kacai beri ko jongi lami ki kikyang nang ba torot sing kinong yale jong kacai beri ko jongi bat kumjuru na kacai beri nang thena po rilom garu anong penjurang ya kajing keren ka jonga henry kadan gawai ka kentin pareng ka bukyong teng ukulam ukam klan banya kawai lang sometimes the pen is mightier than the sword. Di nakatakadaw na kaliyang kajongi. Nado kisnam ibalalay. Ngila persyang man penbor bangin penkelano ya kaan. Naningin niya da. Ya kariti ka dostor kajongi da ukulam banyak ubasay nambah kiaan ki kanun ibabiyang. Menta kasni ngoy ka ruling jong ka High Court Badan Borom bala scrap no yang tu notification badan kam Cyril Trai bala penmi ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kini baro kijing dia teng Umangyong kai ka ba siya po garo. Ngimlaban len hap kuno ya kinong yalam. Ki balalet, ki bamenswa, ki para yo banbat ya ka bor sinsarang te bok Garo Hills. Whatever has happened in Garo Hills, we cannot deny. We have to put a blame on our past leaders, our legislators who have been authorized to make law in the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. They have failed to protect the Garo community through an act. Garo Hills, Khasi Hills and Jaintia Hills, we need a very clear protection by law. And just to elaborate, Taman Pinsay Kindian, the Constitution of District Council Rule 1951, Lanang ikwa paniyada ya ka Jaintia ya ka Khasi wa ya ka Garo nakatingsa tuklar. Jogi kibamdai kirulom hanya po District Council ngihaban penkala ya ka edi rule ka basis pa arhupra so para 1 basa para 3. Bat kadai ka kam ka basuk na ka basuk tang badle. Ya ka menglakren na kapor. It is high time that all the 3 District Council will bring amendment to the 128 ED rule sub para 1 and sub para 3. And if this is done, I guarantee you, nobody can put a finger or try to encroach into the district council. So therefore, today, let it be the day that as a community, we demand from the state government, especially from the district council, to bring immediate amendment to the 128 AD rule and to bring a special protection to the walls of the 3 district council. Nagalang ko jonging ay kublay, ya ka komso, kapla bo ini ka jingelang namar kun ka chat benrew, hapan bo ini ka jingelang namar ting niyak bon kam na ka jong. Nakajong ka jingeng ngepet, niyak let no pada ya ka jinge jong ka community. Ya cakap kau jangan cai bering ya bonus serut. Kadang-kadang ay kublay gerbang ya kamso. Keblakot ya kena kejelang kena mangiway payway. Yang kendik benrew. Namar ni mentah ke sini kena pelaon pelong yang kena kejelang hang ni buat peran. Ni dia kena bahaden sanspas namru. Mangi ke belong try. Ini man yo ya kena hok, ini man load man pelong kena tinggalang, ini man syahir cuma, ini man syah man pendobor. Tang ini kintin, ay play pi barok berapa ilang, play yang kurkulang yang i barok, play semua.
Kulismon Thomas Jigren Jongpi meneng along baik kembali kelia lasnada ki lightly ki kamera jonggawe gayen. Kawai kayen kalau pro, lani la kemding, lanang imis husiar, kading kesawan lagi ar kamera, mano batang illegal aliens, kumno banyak kon persya, ya kata kading, kajing keli kalong kumno banyak kon persya, ya kata kading balaklang hakawai ke kamera, kajubab gidang siok mentang cipang, na uway somlarang ba. But Thomas Pasa Don Kamban Amen ya kita ke Edirun kata kebot kading kanlip number 2 ban pelip ya kading kelang banging ilaju perta kai kata kadai kai L P kini ki artli kini ki fire extinguisher lana kita kikor kibor ban pelep ya kading kabelah kelang hagawe neki kamera parari jongi nanglis sekmat ngalam toy kapor ngasoba ban kon hagani kapor ngalam komso ibadai ka JNC iba sambormi lingdo
Tabasuk kabakan yang ibarat kipat jangka berpilihnya trip. A very good afternoon to our brother from Garo Hills. Hakapan ng konghi nga ay yakango kadem Shauble kupa jong yu pahapanen. Badai lang JNC, along with the leader of the HYC, we have attended 2 of the meeting in Garo Hill to support our brother. Because we know the government of India has given us the 6th schedule to protect the right of the indigenous tribal of Meghalaya, the Khasi, the Jaintia and the Garo. At present, we may not be in Garo Hills to support you, but through our prayer, we support you and we pray to our God, the Lord our Father, to protect our brother Garo Hills in this fight. Kaya ke mga kuwa man keren kalong kajing raha bor, kajing raha spa, kajing kuan mentoy shimet, bat kajing bamya ijengay, jong kinang ilam ki jongi kalabu. Ya kari bak kajat benriu ke jongi ha kajing sir ke bakrau baha kine ki pateng ki bamenta ngiha ban yele ngiha ban yakun na ka benta ban pentikna bangidang sngan bangidang long try hala ka jong kari hala ka jong ka kendau ka siap nganongi pi parari ka sarkar jongi kalangkum steering kali ha ka bayau driver jong kani ka kali la kharwait daki beriu ki banabar de kebor ke pasyalendet ke bayalam ya kane ke sarkar ke jongi de na kane ke dau bakane ke sarkar ka it baka kedup hado katne ya kine ki mandari ki ba pensyong sir ya kari bak kejat benriu ke jongi kum ki samla ki badon ke jingkit klik nakawai ke sengi, sakawai ke sengi, niya kersiu, ya ki para samla, ban yeng, ban yale, ban yada, ban IT, na kabenta kapateng kebansawan, ladaha kane kapateng kebakat ne, kat ne kijing sakat no, kan sengan ya kita kipateng kibansawan, ha kejing shisha, ke Autonomous District Council, kadai kanong yada kijongi. Kum kitrai muluk lene kum kita kiripai hapo kari India handre ke bas ngausi banang bamenta ya kane ke jeka thawain ke bala itu daka sikshid ke bala pengkubor daka sikshidil jong ke Constitution of India kala long penban tangkum ke office sarkar ke ba ki MDC ki jongi ngan keren kerpang nak mentak ke Jaintia Hills, tapi pet hapo Jaintia Hills, ki MDC ki jongi kat kerai ke baki shim, ki hapan yok bor, na kita ki han ki jongki ki besyong hapo sekretariat, ha ke jing sisyahi, ke District Council ke John, la ke jong ke bor ke Sensyar, ke ikhtiar ke jongka, hanri ki ngausi banang, baki ne ki MDC ki jongi ki long penban tangkum ki nong pli jingkang kali jong ki MLA de na kata kadaw ke JNC ke de ke wei na kiseng bahalang na po ri Jaintia ke bala mi syekmat da ke wei ke thong hapo ke Save Jaintia Mission kata kalong ban pengklan ya ke JHADC ngimban se ngihaban hikai ya kini kinong mi khmat ki jongi kumno ban yada ya ke kendau ke siap kumno banyada ya ke riti ke dustur bad ya ke pateng ke bansawan ke jongi kai ke bejia hapo Jaintia Hills ngiyoi baki barjel lakim kenshu ya ke District Council laha kaya pet ya de jaka kila bypass ya ke District Council kene kalong ka ai ke bapen ngausi yengi omde tang ya ke Jaintia Hills Henry ya ke Prihunyo trep lane ya ke jella Meghalaya hi borok kawai Kay kebeja hapo Garo Hills ki yoi. Bagi Prado ki Prasnam ki trai muluk ki balong ki acik. Hapo Garo Hills ki lasyak Thombor. Ha kini ki Bangladeshi ki bawansa BA nya hapo Garo Hills. Yoi leng ba ki social media. Ba ki Hemen ki para ki jongi hapo Garo Hills ki lahaban pet. Ha kapor menmit. Da ke jing ting ke jing sir. Ban yadai la ke jong ke jing im. Na kini ki mendari ki bawan hapo Bangladeshi ki bangitip kum ki Muslim. Ngilei hapo social media. Bakine ki mukhar Muslim ki bawan na Bangla ki bawan syong bean. Ki lanut wan halla wat ya ke slogan ke jong ki ke baki ke slogan umdei benga Kristian ya ke slogan ke jong ki ringa syukwa ben pau hang ne ke slogan ke baki halla ke bakta ke baong Allahu Akbar. Ya kene ke slogan la pendan kam daki leno jong ki Muslim hakeleng ke pertai. Bak kanehi ke dei kadak keshin bak ke jingma ke bakrau ke baap ya ke jela ke jongi barok kawai. Namar kini kijat benriu Muslim habaki pendan kam ya kini ke slogan Kim Ting ban IT wat yala ke jong ke jingim ngileo i hakiwei kiri hakiwei ki benta jong kari India. Barak don kita ki suicide bomber ki ba pendak bom holiday. Ban hertma ya ki wei ki jat nyam ya ki wei ki jat benriu. Kane kede ki jing kersiu thia. Om tang yengi ki seng bahalang. Om tang ye ki Prado ki himen ki para ki jongi hapo Garo Hills. Handre khamtam hapo khasi jantia lene kum ke jat benriu nyau trep barok kawai. Hapo jantia hills kine ki illegal Muslim. Kila kini ya kejak pok ke jongi kapade ke khayi ke pateng ke jongi Henry ladang idang ya thia kam slam shu bagim kini wat ya ka hok ke jongi ha ka sensyar ka khadar kumba ka ke bala jia pok Garo Hills Henry ngimde bandu jingkerman nama ladang ipai shawei usim mubakrau jong ka pertai usim David hashwa bu unlong sim uhabani le persya ya Goliat kene ke bangimat kadai hak kasar ngiu ke jong Goliat kini ki jing hande da ke jing shenya bada ke jing IT ke jong hau blai bada ke jing yitli kamdan jing ingi bangin job ya kene ke jing le ke jong namar ke jing le ke jong kampat dei kabadu jing kerman namar ngidang la ban ya langkum ne ngidang la ban kendu langkum ne ngidang don ke jing kerman bat ngikwa Babaro ki MLA ki jongi ki badai kadok kas ki badan ya kadok kas nam jong ki pai riulom bakin simkia bat bakin kelatia keladem halal kene ke jingja bat bakin ai ke jing kersan yangi ki trai muluk da ka ba kin sna ya ki an ki baskam lah ke sarkar jilla lane lah ki district council kenang bakapateng ke jongi kan long ke basngan Bat lada kine ki MLA ki jongi ki badai ki riulom kindang yo thia kindang kedup ya ki mender ngidei ban penbenano cisendon bakine kinong mikmat kidei kinong shun jong keri bat kejat benriu ke jongi bat kindei kita kinong mikmat ki ban syasak tim hakapateng ke bansawan haswa dengan pengkut ya ke jingkren ke jonga kumbangila sedang ya ke jingelang ke jongi da kaba bu ke jing ruai hau blai ngakwa banshim kewe ke dekot na ke Bible ke baong kum ni ke bengila banshim na ke ar jing thok kan mau le Chronicles ke nong ke benyau ke dekot ke ba khansau Henry lada ki briu jonga ki badon ya ke kerteng jonga ki penrit ya lade ki duwai bat ki wat ya ke khmat jonga bat ki ino artat ya ke lenti benman hang tangan syak skor iki na beneng ngan map ya ka pop jongki ban ngan penimbiang ya ka ri jongki kakten ublay ka kransai balada kum kejat benriu ni pai sya ublay haki jingele ki jongi ni bu ya ublay hakmat ublay hi unsa penim ya ka negeri bat kejat benriu ke jongi ni ai ke jing kublay ya ka komso bat kamtam ya ka HYC kepala organize kepala penbiang penbek ya ka negeri jingilang apa Shillong dah ke babu dah ke jing ruai hakmat kene hi ke peni bangikum ke jai benriu ngidang don ke jing syanya ka baskem hau blay baru blay kum bau kular lang baka ketien ke jong u ke jai ben riu ke jong i kan saim bakan nginom du no nak kini ke selapar the tang bang ide ban kan mau tang kini ke wei baka ketien u blay ka ong baka jai ben riu ke baya pat ya pra kene ke jai ben riu ke ban sedu jai khusiar nak kini ke batmu ban penpat penprai ke jai ben riu ke jong i kila dan ke jing kena yang i bangi thu penpat handai ke jing wan ke jong i hang ne ke jing i trelang ke jong i haman la ki dau ba jong ka riba ke jai ben riu ke pen i Saka pertai bak kapeni, sabaro kipan yang song jong kabri hunya drep, bangi yang bangi bat, yang kecing teli jong kejai benriu, hendrai, dah kaba pendek pensa, yang ka ke bau blay ulah ai, yang ka ke bau blay ulah bu, dan nak kene kentem kiba kendian, haswa bangan song anong, dia seprang, tur seprang, kublai shibun, cihajar ngo mitela.
Kiri jangka pertai, kia khun persya, ya kita illegal aliens nganam la, klaim dah penik ya ke kerteng jong Donald J. Trump. Labun, ulale ya kata kajeng ka evict and deportation, ya kita ki illegal aliens nak ke state, lane nak ka ri ke jongo. Hanya state pemarjan ni. Ya usia jong asam ulale kita eviction daki sepangot daki hajar ngot lami kita piale dah kata kestir ke jongu namla amat kilan ya gajiran jom siam belabang kuai dua play uang iyo yang chief minister ubanang ban tang daki English kontrak sangma soba ban proof yalade bamedai wacek proof yala de pameit ya kari lane kame khlia ke jongi le no mardor ya ke eviction lane wandra no mardor ya ketaka amendment hapo ka sectional wandra no ya ka LP hapo ka state khnang bamangi khasi ban jantia garo nginyo ban sok skan ha ketaka ri ka bau nombo nong thau lambaki ancestor jongi kilabu hang ne porilom kasih janji apa garo kublai shibun masa samurbi yang kicingkiran jongpi mentah ngin khotna yai wei nongkran ibedai ne po rilom garo masa debet si marang present jong NAD manhaju ke por present jong New Dura Development Forum please come forward to give a short speech.
Go back. I'm going to Go back. I'll tell you why the reason is. And what is the reason is. But I'll speak in Garo. Later on I'll speak a little bit in English. I'm thinking, Dongara Nungabiram, yes, Sinomo Wing Param. Aro Kapan Yapuni Ribak Pas, Kramba, Kasi, Arojan Charam, Jeraman, and Chinko. Takapana, Shung Big Param, and Chini Bukti Salo, and Chini Chico, or Pakina Ridium Paramwa. Dalo, and Tina Chikasong, Miami Chem, Basakunyum Balchem, Miley Munungi Chem, Yakon Chem, Sakan Chem, Niam Kutak Money, Ya Chisaram, Ya Achika Funde, Achika Funduma, Achik Jat Buduma, Niba Yamam Naudokani, Kampo, Niam Kutak, Yamam de Branget, Akumadungawa. Tripura, number one secretary general, iba antineriya ya bulku menu nangana anchara zaman sakaba mani sakaba ja nigemen sa bisongara anchini jakko rakina punna yang yaku takuna nigemen 달로만 저 강할 그 법봉치 만년 작업 법봉치나 후화간나 불동화 아니 저로 후화간나 불동화는 와봐 있는 컨스티튜션 동타야 freedom of speech 이거 동타야 그러면 우리 방사기만 하가는 아니엘 뱅랑 아치키 뱅랑 가시 뱅랑 젠테르 뱅랑 달로 가루 일스니 카타고 하가는 게 주모데 Voters ID card, no satu recharge Mari kita mengambil member Baik community. Jangan Mamang kukunama, bunyi bulkun sekian dalu. Aru kenalo yang mana, hunam nama hape, asal Indonesia. Kenal sahaja penode, Indonesia Muslim Greek. Indonesia Muslim garu hi, nolong gara garu. Cuma ya pun dah berkumpul. Mainnya keman? Ben pemukul, isong district ko sama sa district ko ang nagkakanin na by their population, by their what is called infiltration, not infiltration actually, take and deport the immigrant. Depth in the delivery for what it is not a game, it is a game of life. And it is community. We are in the
for your speech.
Chongsu, baroy kupal sendra, dan ayah ke jeklan agak kepol kebamandang.
Boleh sibun, noilam jong kaseng, bolong ru syong kenor jong kenika, jingyalang kenika dok faiz ni kebamenta. Ngai kublay kelum lang ibaro, manom siem ikapur, mar kesun bening ikum bakaap yang itang bangin penwai, ya kenika jingyalang, buat kan sebom. Nyaingu yo play nong bu nong tau peladon ringkat absu flap ru kublay sibun yo boro ibadon nang nikapur ngini sak sipur ngini nam tak nikapur kabamenta. We thank each one of you who are here, especially our Achik brothers and sisters from Khasiat zone. We want to give one message to you. This gathering today in this momentous occasion, we show our solidarity with the Achik people who are in Garo Hills, who are standing against illegal immigrants and who are still fighting. We want to tell you that the Nyotra people are with you in this fight, and we will be with you till you make sure that each and every illegal immigrant is being chased from Garo Hills. Mr. Conrad Sangma, here also, this voice of the Nyotra people. Today, we are here as a but if you need to be in Chiminan or to be in Garo Hills, the Nyotra people will take up sword, will take up materials that's needed, and will stand together, shoulder to shoulder with the Achik people. Mr. Conrad Sangma, don't forget, you are the chief minister because the Achik people have supported you. Everyone, they will also make you come down of that chief ministership in the year 2028. You have 3 years to make sure that the rights of the Achik people are protected. You have 3 years to make sure that the land of the Achik people are protected. And you have 3 years to make sure that the culture of the Achik people are protected. And you have 3 years, Mr. President, to ensure that this Bengal was staying in Garo Hills should be protected and deported to their place of origin. I saw one video that Bengal is asking the police officer, Sir, क्या हम बांग्लादेशी है? The police officer cannot give an answer, but we can. भाई, तू बांग्लादेशी है, तो बांग्लादेश में जाओ. Yes, you are a Bangladeshi, so go back to Bangladesh. The Garo Hills belongs to the Achik people. It is theirs today, it will be theirs tomorrow, and it will be theirs forever. No Bengal can claim that the Achik land or the Garo Hills belongs to them. Mr. Sufyan Rahman, I've seen your text, I've seen your message, claiming that Purwari, Rajapala, Chipinang belongs to the Bengal. If you dare come out of Highland, we will show you who is the owner of the Achik land. Sufyan Rahman, we have seen your face. We know who you are. You cannot hide forever. The Achik people will find you. You dare to come to Shillong, the Nyotra people also will find you. We have seen your statement, intimidating the indigenous people of Meghalaya. Just remember that the Achik and the Nyotra are the owners of Meghalaya, not some Bangladeshi, not some Pakistani. You go and shout Allahu Akbar to Bangladesh, we have no problem. But don't go and shout Allahu Akbar in Meghalaya. This is not your land. No Allahu Akbar in Meghalaya. They came as tenants. They used the people of Ghana, the Yachi people. Now, because of their illegal activities, because of these mafias, they have been controlling the illegal activities in the criminal areas of Ghana. The illegal stone mining that is going on is because of these people. And we blame our leaders. We blame the government of the day and the government of the past. Because of them, these Mias have dared to attack the owner of the land. Mr. Conrad Sangma and all the leaders, it is because of you that this has happened. It is because of you that Dilseng Sangma has to lose his life. It is because of you that his mother, his wife, his children lost their breadwinner in the family. The blood is in your hand, and you have to decide how to wash that blood from your hand. Mr. Conrad Sangma and all the leaders from Garo Hills, you have been using the Achik people for the last 50 years because of your vote bank politics. You have been using them just to win election, just to rule, just to lead the government. It is because of you that the Achik people have been made to leave their own house, their own land. It is because of you that this situation has arisen on this day. We feel for our Achik brothers and sisters that they are in. But my brothers and sisters of Garo Hills, the Achik, don't lose hope. Remember that your day also will come. Every dog has his day. We have to remember that you have the power in your small little finger. Don't forget that. And I know for sure why Conrad Sangma postponed the election of the GHCDC today. Because he knows the Achik people. It is a goal from your neutral people. Don't be made to forget what has happened to you. You have been made to suffer in the last 50 years. Your leaders have led you, have just benefited from you. It is because of their doing that these people, the population of these people have grown with each year. As they have taken a decision not to allow them to settle in your land, in Garo Hills, will they find a place to settle? No. Will they find a place to work? No. Will they find a way to do this illegal activities, illegal stone quarrying in Garo Hills? No. It is because the people who are in power have a hand to play that these people are daring and they have been earning a lot of money. And now a time has come for them to show their true colors. My brothers and sisters, do not let this be another battle that you lose and you suffer for the next 50 years again. It is time that we chase away these Bangladeshis once and for all. It is time that we make us stand very clear to these politicians, to these leaders, that enough is enough. You have been made, you have benefited from us. We made you the chief minister. We made you the MLA. We made you the minister. What has you given back to us? Development. Roads, stadium, bridges, schools, colleges. What is the use of development and at what cost? Does development can be compared to being wiped out from our own land? Do we want to become another Tripura? Just because some government, some minister give us development, we forget that we are the owner of this land and we hand over this land to these illegal Bangladeshis. My brothers and sisters, this is the day that we will remember. And I want all of you, this message to go to all the brothers and sisters in Garo Hills and also our Nyotra brothers and sisters. We need to remember this, that if today these people are trying to snatch or to take away the land of the Achik people, tomorrow they will take away the land of the Nyotra people. Ngakwaban pun kan mawe kini. Balada menta kini kibriu kila persyang ban kini ya ka kendo ka siap ya ka hok long try ya ka hok halor ka sinsyar ka kadar jong ki Garo po Garo Hills kan poiru ka por bakini ki joy kibriu kini ya ka hok long try halor ka kendo ka siap halor ka sanhima sima jongni unyo trep lada ngimlong ki bausiar pari kani ka jinyalang menta ka sikam dei tang bangin ay ya kataka kajing Kershan yiki perlok ki jong ya po Garo Hills ka deiru kajing penken mau kajing penken ded yangi kong ki try mulung bangin long ki bausiar atong ikwa bakai ka baca Garo Hills ka ju ka pot kan jayangi ang ne porilum kasi bajantia ni hap ban perkat ban rai kata ngim kwa ban yoi bawairu udo usna mo jongi unsha bena la ka jongi indi sam unsha kni ya ka jaka ka puta unsha peniap unsha kni ya ka jong ka cingem kai ka bamat kini ka perlo ki jongi po Garo Hills kala banja hang ne rilum kasi bajantia ka jongi ru ladang ngimlong ki bahusian pari kare kata ka jingmot jong ni ka jingalang kadai kumbong ba Thomas bateng-teng ku bajai priung ya ban pelong ya kum kini ki jingalang ban penkendit ban kersiu tia ban penken mau bangim dei ban song tia thai ngim dei ban skuhun tang balayo ya karoi kapar kalau biang ni kelak dapat ya kau long trai kalau ka kundo ka siap ka jumi pari kata ka ni ka jingmot jong ni ka jingalang banang ni syakman pepa ya ka saudong ka saukun ka jongpi pepa ya ka rut ka kiar ka jongpi halaki jong ki snong ni tau halaki jong ki it ki hima halaki jong ki yen ki sam pepa ya ka sor shilong ka bodon ka sor ka bangi ni long trai lada wan nang nuru na keleng jong ka brir nyutrem hatung ni long trai halaka jong kari ka jongi hadong idang kwa ban penne yak ni jinglong trai ka jongi hatong ikwa ba hadin sanpos nem hadin sispas nem ladang pelong kum kini ki jelang baro kini ki dukan ki nong we nong ar ki long trai ki dei ban khang kum ni kum ka dei ban khang mentang si karai kali ka jonga ka jongfi karai kali jong kali ka pateng ka pamenta lada kani ka pateng ka ban menta kam syam ya karai ka batenge ban yada la ka jong ka khendo ka syam kan mau baki khun ki kti ki jongi kinom don khendo kinom don syam ban yada lan ban yale ban penne punsa kata kani ka jing sisa ka ban ya ban perkat hatungi ai mo ya kata khendo ka syam pala jong ki khun ki kti lada ka pateng ka ban sawan kenang mau makiru kila ban yeng ban yada ban penne punsa lada kali ka pateng ka pamenta nyem ban yada nyem ban penek bensa ka pateng ka banong ka banangwan kanom don kendo kanom don syap bakan penek bensa pari yo chefnesar ulah pule na kiri au jong ka perthei yo chefnar ubakren syafang kata karoi kapar ubakren yakin nyo hajar fra hajar sipo hajar kror ki debabnan manusnam ki bapoi sa kaninga jela ka jongi ubakren sang kata ka economy ka banpoi sa kapaka seta ka $10 billion economy pari ka jingkeli kalong hatungin hun laningin ya pen ya kata ka roy ka par bat ka hok long try ka jongi halo kani ka khendau ka siap hatungin ya pen ya ka jinglong try ka jongi halor ka khendau ka siap halor kani ka snap ka bakerbang ka bau nong tau ula ayo nyau trap unyo skum langin ya pen tang namar kata ka 10,000 ka khasan hajar ka 4,000 crore ka development lan ki roi ki par ki pakini ki nongi lam ki jongi ki wandra Mr. Conrad Sangma Habaulet Chadima Asau when he went to the Asau he talks or he speaks about dilution of the provision of the 6th schedule. He is or he still is for the last 8 years as the chief minister of our state. His party is still leading GHDC in the executive committee. What have you done, Mr. Conrad Sangma, for the last 8 years to ensure that this dilution of the provision of the 6th schedule that is happening in GHDC for the last 50 years? Uladon Hakashuki mentala prasnam ulet Chadima Asau banong ba lapen telot yaki kendon jong ka 6th schedule. Ule ayu pat apa GHDC mentasan posnam kalayai kata kajing penbelan mentah prasnya mula dona kasuki atau la persyang mo ban penbet ya kijing bakla kibaki noilam kibarem kilale pimla ban sukeno ya kibalalet nawakim don syu akabor pi don akabor mentah pile ayu kan ban penbah ya kata kajing bakla kibaki noilam kibarem kilale Kata lagi jingkeli kabangi kwa banbu yau Conrad Sangma ya ka sorkar ka jongi ya kinoi lam ki jongi lana lek chakwe ke jela chakwe jaka ban yo nong politics piong balablat la telat ki kendon jong ka 6th schedule wan pat hayeng la jong haji HDC ka sinong try ka jong la kala long hanta uklet pan ba HDC mentala sanpul teligi senam Kiat posnil hajing bakla naman kila ailat yake mender bakin yo banlong kinong takbut batru ban yo banlong kita ki MDC bale yoi hakini ki pratli ki senam ki balalet onda menta haba kini ki parlok garu ki yeng ban yada ban penek pensa ban yakun ban petikna baka JCDC kadai nam tau garu kimi ni keke himla banlan bakal ni kecing bakla kecing ailat akini kisan pau tu lagi senam kinyo pau tu lagi senam bayak kiwei pa lailat banyak sementara ni election jong ka GHDC mereka por kadang biang banwanra ya kecing kela dialor katakan orang bagi perlok na pogaru skiyen hakum kan ni kapor banong bakal adai kapor ban penbet ya kan ni jimbakla kamangila ya lenti menta dekin nyopo tuligi senam kadai yang iru kum kajat nreu nyotrem bangin ai ka jingkersyan yiki perlok na pogaru el bakin penbet ya kan ni jimbakla namar ladang himla ban penbet kan mau ladang himla ban penbet madu ban tep kombong mene di ba Thomas wat hang ni hang iru kalak banja kalak banlong bat kini ki beriu hilak ban pendan kam da ki bor ki bakam hajrong ban penbor yang ni ban ailat ye kiru bakin ye simbenta hakini ki institution lane kita ki bor ki bai kerpang yang ni kum ki jat beriu riulo pari ngakot ngawer yapi nakani ka jaka hakani ka janmi ka pamenta bangin ya yeng ban teli kawai kum kajat benreu nyautrap ban yeng ban ya teli kawai kum ki trai muluk ban pentikna bangi ni dai ki trai jong kani ka jela Meghalaya jong kini ki lum kasih janti abad garu ban pentikna bau nongwei nongar dan hop ban syong haki dorbar trai ki jongi dan hop ban syong ban rung ban long nong tawan haki des council ki jongi tongin ya shem ya karai akni ga janmi ka pamenta balada dan kam ban yami min yami lengim betikna bakini ki dorba trai ki jongi kini banne akati ki jongi. My brothers and sisters, Yachik brothers and sisters, why here today?